What's going on, everyone? So we are at my house right now. Just me, not Jordan. But I want to show y'all something pretty cool. I just made a pretty cool purchase, a big purchase. Thanks to my friend JR. Y'all seen him in a other camping video way back. But JR's dad actually had an old boat that they were wanting to get rid of, and well, I decided to purchase said boat, and because I'm going to actually work on it, renovate it, and get it ready to go out. But I want to kind of show you all the boat and everything like that. So here it is. So it's just a 14-foot flat bottom John boat, so nothing too fancy or anything like that. It does have a little Ebenry motor on it right there. The motor does not run at the moment. It needs some work. It had, I think some of the cables got chewed by some mice, so got to work on that, see if I can get that back up. But I'm not too concerned about that, honestly, because it also had a little trolling motor right here, which is primarily what we're going to be using. I've already emptied the boat. It had these two gas cans in it, some rod holders attached to the side, two spare tires, basket, some oars right there. Say hi to Tony. He's trying to be cute, and I'm not getting him enough attention, so yeah, he's gonna meow. But here's the boat and everything. So what we're going to be doing is all this carpet here is going to be stripped out. We're going to be taking all that out, cleaning it. Going to be putting new carpet in. If you see, it's kind of like humpy here in the middle. It's actually where some foam expanded and created that mess there. So we're going to be getting all that out of there. And then we're going to, like I said, put new carpet in there and everything like that. We're going to get the outside and everything cleaned up as well. But I mean, it's a really nice boat. I mean, it's not the prettiest thing in the world, but that's okay. It doesn't have to be. But the trailer is like super nice. So that he actually got the trailer just recently worked on and renovated, and so it looks pretty nice. Everything's all good to go on that. The cool part about this trailer is it's actually a tilt trailer. You can see the lever right there. So when you go to put the boat in the water, all you gotta do is push that lever and it'll tilt the trailer up and let the boat easily go down into the water. So a lot less of a hassle on that part. But yeah, so gonna be getting to work on this here very soon. We finally got some nice weather happening right now, so pretty excited about that. But I do got to replace the transom board and everything back here. Easy fix, not hard. So not too bad though. And then I haven't quite decided yet if I'm going to repaint it. Like I said, I haven't decided yet. I'm not sure. But I mean, if you think I should paint it, I don't know, drop some comments down in the comment section. And if you're like, yeah, you should paint it, or if I should just clean it up and leave it like it is. So don't matter to me, honestly. So I just haven't made up my mind, to be honest with you. But super excited about taking on this project and seeing where this goes. The boat is already registered and it can actually go out in water anytime, but I'm gonna probably work on it first before we just throw it out in the water, because it does need a little bit of work on it and stuff. Like I said, outboard motor, might fix it, might not, I don't know yet. Honestly, I'm okay with just trolling motors. Most of the places we're most likely going to go to can only use trolling motors anyways, so yeah, I haven't decided yet. We'll see. But super excited. Trolling motor's actually pretty new, so I think it's only like 2 years old, so pretty excited about that. But that's about it. I just kind of want to show y'all the boat and everything. I am going to be doing some more filming with it as I work on it and everything like that. That way you can kind of follow me along as I kind of do the boat renovation. But this is just the first show, just kind of show you the boat and what we're going to be doing here in just a little bit. So stay tuned for our boat renovation series, I guess I'll call it, with yours truly, Travis. Jordan might come help me at some point. I don't know. I haven't asked him yet, honestly. So Jordan, when you see this video, surprise, if you want to come help me renovate this boat, you're more than welcome to. So I'm just kind of doing this stuff on my own, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and close it out there. And like I said, super excited to do this boat. And drop me some comments below of any ideas you might have that you think I should do to this boat, or if you want me to paint it, or whatever. Don't matter. So drop some comments. Of course, smack that thumbs up button on this video if you want to follow along. And of course, make sure you're subscribed to our channel if you want to continue to see the boat series, and of course all of our other excellent videos. So all right, I'm gonna wrap it up here, guys. So till next time, keep it real.